What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see from the title above, I will be doing a hair review on Rpgshow wigs. They're a company that sells wigs, weaves, and more. This is a wig I got from them. I wanted to try something new for the summer because I did want to dip into some more colored wigs. I know I tried pink and I know I tried a little bit of an ombre. This is giving me more of a brookie feel. If you guys don't know what brookie is, it's a brownie mixed with a cookie. This is a short unit. It did come like this, and this is how the wig will come when you receive it, and it is honestly everything. It is to my armpit. It's armpit length. You don't have to worry about your neck being too hot, because I know when I wear my wigs personally, I don't like anything on my neck, and I don't like, you know, it being hot around my neck. It is very free flowing, and it is perfect for the summer because Lord knows in Las Vegas it is super hot. Oh, and by the way, do you guys like my makeup? I tried something different. So yeah, I just did like a halo eye thing. I think that's what it's called. I'm not an MUA, but I want to be one day. If you guys are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And if you want more hair videos, give this a like and turn on post notifications so you don't miss a post. And follow me on all my social medias at Westbrook. Let me stop rambling. Let's get right into the specs of the unit. When I received the unit, it came in DHL and it came in this big pretty packaging that says Rpgshow wigs. You see how that glares, honey? Once you open it, you get the unit itself right in the front. So it does come in this little package right here. This package basically holds your wig and you can put it up safely. I really do recommend these. I have about 3 now because they just sent me this one, and I love these because it does give me a place to put my units other than just putting them in a bin that I have in my closet. So I really do appreciate Rpgshow for sending this, as well as a wig cap. You get a wig cap inside. You get 2 wig caps and you get a Rpgshow magazine. One of my goals is to be on this magazine. Like, girl, it just, like, girl, like, they have so many pretty models in here, and they just show the units that they do have on their site. And oh, look at this blonde, guys. I am gagging for the blonde. They have red. Okay, let me see. I really do appreciate Rpgshow for this because I do not, you know too much about wigs. Well, I'm lying, but I don't know about what they have to offer, and this does give me, you know, a sight on what they have in stock. So basically, like in the chapters of this, they give you how to put on a wig, the stylist that Rpgshow have. This particular unit was styled by Anthony Cuts. If you guys don't know who he is a hairstylist. He is an amazing hairstylist, as you guys can tell. He gave me this brookie little cut and color. Yes, he is a master hairstylist and professional makeup artist. I'm excited. I'm pretty excited about this little book. I'm going to be reading it once I get off of this video. I can't wait to start reading this because I actually am going to read into this and just see what their books have to offer. I love that they have magazines because not any hair companies that I know do have magazines on, you know, hair care and all this stuff, and showing the artists that did that and how to glue and apply your lace wig, make your wig look natural. A lot of girls need this because Lord knows you guys don't know how to make your wigs look natural. But I'm super excited. But let's get right into the unit itself. So the length of this unit, it is 14 inches. It is silky straight. It does come in this curly style, so when you do order it, it's going to come like this, and you can just put it to however you want because it is human hair. And just to be on the safe side, it is processed, so don't try to put too much heat on it, because once you put heat on it, the longevity of the wig is going to not, you know, be as long as if you don't do anything to it. So since this is a custom unit, I do not want to put any heat on it. So I was like, no, I'm not going to do that. But the most that I will do, I do want to see how this looks wet, like all wet, and with some mousse in it, because Lord knows that would be really cute. That would be a key. That'll be a key. Like, can y'all see this wet, like in a pool? Like, oh my God, if I went swimming with this, Lord knows, because you can't go swimming with this if you glue your hair right with the bolt hold, girl. Let me tell you, that bolt hold holds everything. If you do have bolt hold glue, or you get it installed by your stylist or your hairstylist or whatever, and you go swimming in this, I can guarantee that this is going to be a sickening unit for you. And this hair does not shed. I have had this for about a week and it has gave me no shedding, and I have been just wearing it around my room. I haven't really worn it outside because it is rainy and all that stuff. So the weather's not good. So I'm not going to be, you know, wearing this hair out. I'm going to wear it during the summer. So I'm really excited about that. But if you guys do want updates, I can give you guys updates, because Lord knows this is going to be a signature piece in my wig collection. And if you guys want a wig collection video, I can do that for you guys. So when you're ordering online, they give you various options that you can pick and choose from. From cap size, they have 1, 2, and 3, I believe, and one's small, one's medium, and one's large. They give you options on your cap size color, because you guys know if you guys have a darker skin tone, you want a little bit of a darker wig cap instead of just a bright white one. And I got a medium colored one because I just think that fits me the best. And I did not pluck this lace. I am going to be plucking the lace. I didn't even cut the lace too far back because I don't know what I want to do with this hair yet. So I just decided to keep it at a, it's basically to right here. So if I do want to do anything to it, or if I ever want to just give it away to somebody and they could do what they want. But yeah, I just wanted to keep it like that. So this is not a full lace wig. It is a lace front. So basically there's tracks in the back, and then you have parting space all the way to right here, I believe. But that is more than enough for you. I do strongly suggest you don't really do too much to it, because it is short and you don't really need to do much to this hair unless you want to cut it a little bit shorter or cut this side a little bit shorter. But by all means, you can do what you want. It is a customizable wig. Now this is more on the pricey side because it is a custom unit, but the wigs on their website are fairly cheap for the most part, but you are getting what you pay for, especially if you get one of the custom units from Anthony Cut. This is basically the short wig, but they do have a bunch of other ones. They do have longer ones, so don't worry if you are a long hair girl like me. I love me some inches. I really wanted to try a longer one, but I was like, let me just try something new for the summer. And I definitely would love to be working with Rpgshow one day, you know, and try out one of their longer wigs. So this is going to have to stay on your right side of your face, because the way it was cut, you can't really do a flip over. This is as much as you're going to get. You could flip this side over and make it more like this. I mean, ooh, this is cute, but I need to curl this part because I curled it this way, but okay. So yeah, you can do this side as a flip over, but you can't do it on this side. Well, you can if you want to, but I'm not really feeling the whole blonde, like the whole blonde. I like it looking like Brookie. I like Brookie looks like this. Just showing me some of that. This wig is giving me very much like mom vibes. I'm going to call the manager. May I speak to your manager? And just a whole bunch of complaints. Like, this is just what it's giving me. Giving me very Beverly Hills Southern mom. She just moved to Beverly Hills because she got a sugar daddy, and she got a new cut in color from her stylist out in LA in Beverly Hills. And now she's going to get some Botox and some boob jobs and all that stuff. This is what it's giving me. It's giving me very much realist her vibes. It's like, hey, I have this house right here. The bathrooms are on that side. You guys can see the full view of LA out in the back. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think and all that. And so basically that's all it's giving me. It's giving me very businesswoman vibes, because to me, long hair is elegant, but it is very extra. Long hair does give that elegant vibe, but I feel like short hair always is top-notch elegant. So I'm like, oh my God, I can go to the Grammys, bitch. Like, let me go to the red carpet. Like, that's what it's giving me. A lot of girls struggle when they have short hair on what to do with their hair, especially like this short. Like, you can't really do much unless you straighten it or curl it. If you guys do want me to do a styling tutorial with this hair, or like how to style short hair, I can definitely do that for you guys. Just leave it in the comments below and like this video. I do give Rpgshow a 10 out of 10, and if I can put a 0.1 for the customization, I can. So 10.1, I do strongly recommend them. They are honestly like, girl, like this color. And for it being customized, it does not feel dead. It does not shed, thank God, because Lord knows, I don't even know how they did this color, because I'm not a colorist myself. I just sent me some hair to Tamia. I just sent some, because Lord knows I'm not good with color. I literally just sent Tamia some hair to customize for me, because I cannot color customize any hair. Like, I can make a wig. I can slay a wig real quick, but I can't do that color. I'll come out with some yellows, some reds, some blues, like when I was trying to do a blonde. Let me know if I should pull out this wig more often, and I definitely will. And if you guys want a tutorial on this makeup, I can do that for you guys. But this is not about my makeup. It's about Rpgshow hair and this wig in particular. All the links for the hair will be down in the description box below. I do strongly suggest you guys check them out. I want to see what you guys look with this hair if you guys do end up getting it. Or even if you guys get the other units, I want to see how they look because, girl, I might be getting the same one you get, girl. Let me know. So I want to see your guys' experiences as well because let's just have a key. I want to have more friends and I want to connect with you guys more. So comment down below. Let's start a conversation. And if you guys do like this hair, like I said, all the links will be down in the description box below. But without further ado, I love you guys with all my heart. Peace, love, and dildos. Bye, guys.